Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the tune-up series 2 by Majorette. So let's open and see what we got inside. So I actually know what is inside, but let me just show you the code, guys. This is BK22. Okay, so let's unbox and see. So till the series 2 the quality was really nice on the packaging part, but series 3 it went down. Okay, we just screw this one thing I really hated every time. Okay, I think I broke it. It's fine anyway, I don't need that one. Okay, let's see what's inside first. This one I already broke it, so let's open. So this one is the body kit, so nothing inside on this side. Let's see what's here. Okay, spoiler and stickers and nothing else. Just throw it out. So let's see what's inside. So this is the Toyota Hiace, and this is the, I think, super rare if I'm not wrong. Let me show you guys. Yeah, this one is a super rare. So we already unboxed this Audi R8 Coupe, this green hell one, which is right over there, the last one. So this Lamborghini Urus, I didn't get a chance to get my hands on that one. And this ultra rare, it is still ultra rare. I'm not able to find it anywhere else. So we do have some cool things in this one. So we have this wiper and the chimney we have. So apart from that, what we have in the series. Okay, this is series 2. Okay, I think that's what we have in series 2. We do have a Toyota GT86, but that one is not from this series. I think that is from series 3 if I'm not wrong. It is just a recolor, we have the same thing here. If you can see here, that's the blue color, that's a neon series 3. This is just the recolor. Okay, fine, let's put this aside. And let me show you the chip first. So this is a super rare Hitasha series 2. Fine, so let me show you the car first. Okay, the paint job looks really nice. It has some kind of fiber for the headlights, which I really like. Tail lights are painted. We do have a Hiace, which is from, I think, series 3, the neon series. First let's put this. Okay, let's put the body kit. Sorry, I ran out of power today. Okay, so pretty sure this is the front side of the car. I think it is, or maybe not. Yeah, this is the front side. Okay, we got it. And for the spoiler part, it just snaps in if I'm not wrong, because we did the same thing with the older Hiace as well. I think it is supposed to snap in here. Okay, finally I got it. Okay, this is how it looks. Let's put these things aside. Here is the stickers. This looks really nice. Anyway, we are not going to stick it as of now. So let's do a roll test. That rolls really smooth, but still I'm not a fan of Hiace. Still the paint job looks really nice. So it has suspension. Yep. And hope you guys can see the interior here. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. It would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.